So this is a quick tutorial on how to swap images and how different features of the picture editor work based on which tool you have selected and which object you have selected on the page. So here we can see I've got a page spread with two images of same size, and if I click onto one of these images here, we find that this little grey bar appears, and I'm sure you're all familiar with this. Now at the moment the selector is using pan and zoom, which basically means I can zoom in and out of the image, and if I'm zoomed in I can move the image around in the box, and the box doesn't go anywhere, it's just the image. Okay, so that's pan and zoom. Now if I click on transform, you will notice that the elements around the box change. So what I can do now is I can hold my mouse down on the central icon here, and I can move the whole box around. Okay, I can rotate the box, and I can change the size of the box. Let's just put it back to where it was. Okay, so that's the transform tool. Now the edit tool means if I select edit, I can go in and I can change various things about the image. I can change the color, I can make it black and white, I can do all kinds of other really nice things. You know, put an auto vignette on there. So once I'm happy with that, I can click done, and basically what will happen then is within a few seconds the app will auto update the image, which it's doing now, and we'll take you back to my spread, and there's my edited image. Okay, so that's the edit. So I click back on it again. Now if I want to freely rotate the image within the box, not the box itself, which is what we were doing in transform, I use the rotate tool here. Okay, so let's put it back where we were. If I want to make it a background, I can make it a background, or I can put it back to where it was. Let's just make the size back where it was. Now, there's been a little bit of confusion over image swapping. So what happens is, if you try to do an image swap when your image is selected, what happens is nothing happens. You just do pan and zoom because you have selected the image. Okay, so what you need to do is make sure you click off into a neutral area around the book or even on the page itself, so that nothing is selected in either of the images. Okay, so if you're seeing this, then the image swap won't work, or if you're seeing this, it won't work. You need to just click onto the empty space in the page so that nothing is selected. It doesn't matter if a page is selected, because that's fine. Now if you go to the image, hold your mouse down and move to the left or to wherever you want to swap the image with, now you can swap. And again, I can hold my mouse down and move the opposite way. Okay, so this won't work if your image has a hand on it, or a transform tool, or any other tool. This bar has to be gone, so that when you pick up, move it across, you can freely swap images, and that's how that works. Okay, hope that clarifies things. Thank you very much.